How's it going, everyone? We're gonna go over one of the most hyped out stocks up there for the stock worlds that went from a low of $2 to a high of 23.80, and a lot of people will be like, "Wow, this is a really good buy, probably up in here, and it's up 400%." And not just because it's up 400%, it's just based on what my system is showing, and obviously this is not sustainable. I'll be honest with you. I'm not sure if there's shares available to short, but I can very easily see this going down. And I'm not just being pessimistic; it's just realistic talk here. A correction all the way back to the ATR4. This upper band here is $14, and that is very conservative. EMA 5 is all the way back to $9, and obviously these are going to go up as time goes. If it goes up, it goes up. But as you can see, the last time we got to ATR4, it goes down, as these are usually big sell points. You can look at the news and see what's driving this thing, but you know at the end of the day, a correction is going to happen. This is where shorts try to pile in, and bulls, there's just not as much to gain on this. So we've got 95 million volume, and usually the biggest moves are going to happen from low volume stocks into tremendously high, and that's why you get these. This thing was doing 400,000, 20,000, 77,000, 38,000, barely any volume, and then just picks up rapidly to 95 million. So yeah, GLMD, I just want to say congrats to the bulls. Would I buy it up in here for a swing trade? Absolutely not. If I wanted to day trade this, yeah, maybe I could day trade this and look for possible entries. As you can see, if I was going to short it, you can do the little spikes at the 5 minute, and it works the same way. You can see how, when you day trade, you look for these overextensions. Right in here is a nice, beautiful opportunity to short. There was no buys. This thing just kept going up and up. At least for my system, and price has to go to the 20, and so you can see why these areas are an amazing area to short as it comes here and tries to touch the 20. Prices will hit these EMAs here. The EMA 5, 10, and 20 are your reversion to the mean. The EMA 20 is your complete reversion to the mean, and that's where algos can take it wherever they want. So when you're looking at this on a daily candles time frame, you can be like, okay, yeah, this thing is insanely oversold. Have we ever done this in the history of this stock? This is very rare what we're witnessing. As you can see, every time we got close to the ATR4 here, it sells off, and the ATR4 is this upper band. We've had instances where it goes, and you can see where you get this reversion of the mean, and then it can go up. That's totally fine, but you don't want to buy it when it's up in here. You want to buy it when it's at that EMA 20. And so I'm looking at this one. It hasn't really hit the bottom band much on the daily time frame. But yeah, I just want to say congrats. This is a very nice one for day trading for sure. If you're day trading this, you're probably having a very fun time. I personally would be the short side. I would have shorted it right here, and I would have shorted it right in here. And this one got very close to short. And you can look at the kind of the potential gains here. Just from here to here, you're looking at a 15% short gain. This one was a little bit better. If you're looking from here to here, you're looking at a 25%. But yeah, this thing had a massive run up, and we went from just $3 last time and all the way up to 20. So that's awesome. If you guys want to get better at day trading and swing trading, you guys want to see a system that wins over 90% of your trades, definitely check out this Discord that I developed. It's one of the best. It gives you high value trades. There's no guesswork. There's no FOMO chasing. My older self back, or my younger self back in the days, I would be buying this because I see it up 400%. Everyone's talking about it. They had these outrageous price targets that people think it's going to go, and then the next day it plummets down and goes to like probably at least to $14 and then $9 eventually. And it's a slow decline. I've seen this happen all the time, and this is really where shorts just pound the table because there's so much juice on this thing. They can really take advantage of it. But if you guys want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, you will have to use your phone's browser or a computer. As they're working on that. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts or message you first. You can read all the testimonies about. We have lots of people winning, lots of accounts turning red to green. I think you guys are going to love it. Hit the server shop in the top left, and you'll see how to trade like a pro. I discuss swing trading, but I think you guys are going to really like my day trading strategy. It's my most consistent. It's my biggest wins, and we've had, now we're at like 28 wins in a row doing day trades. So for $12 a month, you get access to all my channels, and if you do it on your computer and subscribe, it is a flat rate fee of $12 forever. It'll never increase. And I've been in Discords that charge hundreds of dollars. They don't tell you how to trade. They just give you a watch list. You follow it, and that's about it. But what's important about this service and what I want people to know how to trade. I want people to know why we take a trade. Why would I not take a buy up in here for a swing trade? It's because it's well above the overextensions. Price is in balance. The one thing we for sure know in trading is that price has to go to the reversion to the mean. That's the one thing we for sure know. When price is in balance, it can't sustain this. And so what happens is price comes tumbling back down to this upper band, and then it leads to the EMA5, and then eventually the 10 and 20. All that's going to be in a uniform time frame. You know, it can do it tomorrow, or it can do it over time. But I do have formulas where if it's very long, we take into account of that. So if you want to join, $12 a month, it's the best service. I promise you, you're going to have lots of people. You know, we did 2 day trades today, making well over 30% gains in literally a matter of minutes. You take your trade, go on with your day, and do whatever you want. So, head on over. If you want to subscribe, you know, it's very affordable. You're going to get my day trading education of why it's the most valuable service, and how do I take my trades. You also get my swing trading education, which I'm a little more pickier on my trades because I have to hold overnight. I have to make sure they're good. So I'm going to focus more on fundamentally sound companies. And then you're also going to get swing trade alerts along with day trade alerts. So I hope you guys really like this. This is my analysis on GLMD. I'd just be really cautious. Could it go up and you know, more? Yes, I'm not saying it cannot do and it has to go down. I'm not saying that. It's just like the problem is it's the bears have the bigger advantage right now. There's a lot of juice on this thing. Just to the reversion to the mean, the bears make massive money. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Let's make some money. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys over there. All right, peace out.